Hi there, this is Martinus on Soldering Island. I'm dedicating this video to my apprenticing jewelry professionals, guests, students, and anyone who wants to improve or catch up on classic European methods in fine jewelry design. We're talking about the flame today. Here we see the Smith's torch, a micro torch, where we have a sharp cone directly at the torch, which is blue, and behind it we are trying to arrange the flame in a way that we have a slightly bit of a white tail. That is the area where your flame is helping you to deoxidize your piece. At the end of the flame it's too hot, and close to the cone it's too hot again. This is a too sharp flame and can only be used for platinum. Now we have a torch that has 6 little flames to heat up bigger surfaces. Here the flame can similarly arranged, always with a white tail behind it. No matter how big your flame is, arrange it that you have some white in it, but not too much. The end of the flame again is not usable. The sharp cones too close are not usable for gold or silver either way. Make sure that you know where the white spot is. That's the sweet spot of the flame. Here the flame gets sharper and it cannot be used for soldering. I'm just turning the torch off here. Here we go. Now we have a flame that's typical for beginners, where beginners have this little butane torch. Arranging the flame is not as easy, but you still have a white area here. Now the German blowtorch, where propane is regulated with a little valve you see in my hand, and air is blown into the flame to heat up the flame, and it's also very easy to arrange it in a way to have a white tail on your flame where your flame is deoxidizing, no matter how big it is. Thank you very much, and we'll talk about more in the video number 2. Thanks a lot.